Well, I have myself quite a big problem here, and that is I have this big ass building. I've been slowly cleaning it out, but it's never fast enough. So what happens around here, I've explained it before. Summertime comes around, it is farm time from the time I get home from work until it's bedtime at night. So videos slow down, everything else slows down, but then everything else gets trashed in the process. So as we clean the house out of things, which we tend to do quite often, and we save a bunch of crap we don't need. I have no idea why we do that. We're just like everybody else. We do it here too. So I have some ideas to fix that, and starting with the boss lady's workout room. She has been dealing with that noise for about 2 years now. So I decided to finally just take some time, close this end up with boards. We're going to insulate it, things like that. She's going to have heat in there where she could set a thermostat and walk away from it. That way all her equipment stays nice. She's getting a new floor in there, all kinds of good stuff. But also up above us here, if you guys remember who've been watching the channel for a while, we have quite a bit of space from the strainer beams, which is, you guys will see it when I move the camera, the strainer beam up above me to the peak of the barn. We actually have a really large amount of wasted space right there. Now these strainer beams are 9 feet to the bottom of them, so we have plenty of headroom to put a ceiling in up here on top of those strainer beams. We're going to frame it out with 2x8s. We're going to put some plywood up there, some hatches. We'll put a hatch in every section. That way I don't have to belly crawl all over the place. And we're going to use that as an attic space because we just have, for a small family, we have way too much. I mean, we're not a tiny family. We're a family of 5, but that's plenty. But I am a pack rat. I hoard things I don't need to hoard. All that good stuff. So anyway, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you on the other side of it. I have so much stuff up here, it is actually difficult to set the tripod up and get you guys halfway decent shots where you can actually see what the hell is going on around here. And I finally made the switch from DeWalt to Milwaukee, and I am a much happier camper with them for now. A little bit heavier on that end. Things are not light by any stretch. Holy cow, it's almost like I measured it! Ah. Let's see how this audio works out because I'm not using the wireless mic or the shotgun mic or anything, we're just using the camera right now. So, at least we have a start. Who knows when I'll get it done, but at least we have a good start. So this guy right here, these are some of the best windows that you're ever going to find, and a lot of times you can get them for free. And I'm not talking windows you're going to want to put in your house. I'm talking for a hunting camp, miniature greenhouse, something like that. These are phenomenal. So these are a double pane insulated freezer doors. And a lot of times if you're watching construction projects around your towns and the grocery stores, a lot of times they demo these things and these go to the dump. I have 3 of them downstairs. I was going to take them to the dump myself, but I've always thought it's one more thing kicking around for years, but I've always thought I'll have a use for it someday. Well, here we are. Nice thing about it too is it does have a rubber gasket on the backside, so we'll get a nice seal in there for her. Like I said, it's insulated, it's UV protected. These are excellent, and it didn't cost me anything. So anyway, next time out, I don't know if we're going to be on the sawmill. I don't know if we're going to be working on here. I have no idea what the hell we're doing from one day to the next this time of year, so we do the best we can. I know the content is slow right now. I'm working on it. It's just busy, guys. That's pretty much it. And a lot of things are so mundane I don't bother running the camera for it. I almost didn't run it for this, but most of you folks are so in tune with this barn project that's been taking me. It's like this is like my white whale, this barn is. You know, I'm going to be finishing this off and working on it probably for the rest of my life, but that's okay because I really do enjoy it. But I want to get this wood shop nicely set up like the blacksmith shop downstairs. It's set up real nice, easy to use, everything has a nice place. I want to get that like that here. And part of that is I do need more walls up here, more wall space so I can set certain things up. So certain things just don't make sense having them set up in the middle of the floor. Doesn't work well for me, doesn't work well for anybody. Radial arm saw over there on that side, that's not a good spot for it. It really isn't. It's too crowded in there. So that's probably going to move over here, and we'll probably have cabinets up above for storage, things like that. Maybe even French cleats. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do there, but definitely know I need some more wall space. So anyway, next time out, we're probably going to be starting the ceiling in there, try to work on that, and then the floor, and then get these walls done, get her a door, and get her some damn heat. So anyway, have a good night, everybody. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.